Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Parts Talk. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Now, before we get into our feature video, I just want to say this to begin with, that when it comes to repairing your vehicle, there's nothing worse than being stuck in the slow lane. Meaning that for many mechanics, that's exactly what's happening right now. A part shortage is causing longer wait times and frustrating delays for both customers and the industry professionals. And it's a dilemma that's affecting the entire industry. From quick fixes to endless delays, the part shortage is disrupting the way we think about vehicle maintenance. It's not just about inconvenience. These delays have very serious consequences, both for customer satisfaction and the efficiency of the industry. So let's get into our video.
Bumper traffic, especially during the rush hour. Now, I remember getting told a lot of the time that if you take good care of your car will take good care of you. So that means that routine maintenance, taking it in to get repaired as soon as possible. But for a lot of people, that is becoming much more difficult. They are having to wait in some cases weeks, some cases months for repairs to be completed.
The bays at Certified Auto Repair are seldom empty, especially these days with tire swaps in high demand.
We'll be doing 44, so our boys will be working real hard today.
But what's ratcheting up frustration among clients is a part shortage, one that owner Nelson Ponte first started noticing about 9 months ago.
A lot of parts are on back order, a lot of parts are sort of not available. So some vehicles are a 6-week wait, some are 3-month wait.
And while Ponte says he feels for his customers, it's an issue that's beyond his control.
Perfect, yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Well, I'm happy that he understands, but imagine the parts manager when you send that order off to your supplier and then the POSS comes back, which is a parts order status sheet telling you the status of your parts as time happens, meaning that it will show you both the vertical and the horizontal service line for those orders. And the dreaded part of it is looking across on that particular order and see BO, back order, and sometimes there's no estimated delivery time on it. You have to go back to the customer and let them know exactly what is going to be happening with their parts, because you absolutely have no idea when some of those parts will be delivered.
Even getting replacement vehicles for drivers has become a challenge.
The rental car agencies also, they're in need of vehicles as well. It's sort of a chain of events, and it's getting worse and worse. Hopefully this will get better.
When it comes to how extensive the shortage is, CarStar COO Jeff Lebenovich says,
in a collision repair, you're going to have on average 5 to 6 parts. You're going to get some of those parts that are inbound and available, but it's usually those 1 or 2 critical parts that stop the overall repair.
At CarStar, the situation has gradually begun to improve.
I can tell you in 2021, 45% of the critical parts were on back order. So that, almost 1 in 2 parts we couldn't get. It's gotten better. So there is a silver lining here. So if I fast forward to today, we're about 30%, 1 in 3.
And looking inside the parking lot there, you'll see a number of vehicles there just waiting to be repaired because of the shortage of parts and the back order of some of those parts. Mind you, it also depends on what parts are approved by the insurance company, whether they are the OEM aftermarket or just straight parts directly from China. A lot of the vehicles outside of the United States have a lot of those options. I'm not sure here in North America if they do have some of those options available.
For Nelson Ponte in his Etobicoke shop,
We're working through it as best we can. I really do feel bad for most customers that have that long wait, but there's really nothing we can do.
Shalima Maharaj, Global News.
And I really feel it for him, because in the parts department, we're like a broken record, telling customers over and over and over that their parts are on back order. There has been a delay, and then every customer comes along, you have to be repeating that same story to them over and over again. It never ends, especially in these times when parts are always critical for the longevity of your motor vehicle.
Now, really, the message from a lot of the auto shops is patience. They do not want to delay anyone, especially people who rely on their vehicles for work and for school. They are simply at the mercy of suppliers. For now, I'll send it back to you in studio.
So what can be done about the parts conundrum facing us right now? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain is that finding a solution is crucial for keeping our vehicles running smoothly on the road. And I do mention about the service rate in my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide, and on a lot of the things that takes place within the parts department itself. Let me know your comments and feedback below. Remember to grab a copy of my ebook, The Parts Manager Guide. Please smash that like button on your way out. I'll really appreciate it. It'll only take you 1.5 seconds to do so. Until next time.